Pause to see the tools. Today's video is 4 easy gouache painting for freshers. Now with the brush first and take hot pink and start coloring the first layer like I am doing. Take some water so that you can spread the color easily. Do not hesitate to take generous amount of paint when it is needed. I hesitated a lot when I just started. It is a bit expensive, but it was one-time investment, so it was worth it. To blend the color with blank paper, fully wash away the color from the brush and gently spread the color out. While hot pink is drying, I'll move on to the new background. This is mid yellow color. For this background, I'm using two colors. Spread the mid yellow color similarly just like the first one. I don't want this background to dry. Wash away the mid yellow color and then take white color. Spread this color the way I am doing. And remember, gouache paint dries out fast, so make it quick. You know, these paintings are too easy to start with. You do not have to think twice, just start. Let this color dry a little and hop on to the second layer of hot pink. As you can see, the paper has absorbed too much water. If this was regular art paper, I could not be able to use this much water. I'll show you the difference at the end of the video. See if the color is dried with your finger. Only after then use black color. Add a little water if the color is too dry. Draw some fences with the tip of the brush. I forgot to capture the fence part, so I showed you with arrow. The next painting I wanted to be a neighborhood look, so I'm using 2B pencil and drawing some houses. You don't have to draw it in details. You cannot use permanent marker on the top of gouache, but you can definitely use pencil on the top of gouache because the nib of the permanent marker dries out. Still, I used permanent marker in some of my paintings earlier. It was hard to paint with. Now filling up the houses with black color. If you are new with gouache, I can assume you already have used watercolor before. Techniques are quite the same, but gouache color is more pigmented and dries out fast, and it has a matte finishing. To make these paintings simple, I did not use shade. While using the tip of the brush, give lighter pressure to the brush. Use thinner brush if you are not confident here. Draw a vertical line for the electric post and then add 3 strokes. Some more cable wires like this. And we are going to the next one. Remember to wash away the black color totally. If the water looks too muddy or too black, you can change the water. For the next one, I'll use blue background. This color is Teal gouache color. Similarly, paint the background first. Adding the second layer now. Let it dry before using black color. Till then, we can start the next painting and let it dry. I'll use 2 to 3 colors here, so I'm pre-wetting the paper so that they can blend together easily. Draw a horizontal layer with white. I use titanium white here. And in the both sides of the white, I use flesh tint. At the very top and at the very bottom, I'll use scarlet pink. Now wash away the red color and start blending the background with peach color. Do not spread the red color towards the middle, instead do like this. This is the horizon slightly visible where the water is starting. Leave it here and let it dry. Let's draw the mountain wave. Fill up the front mountain with black. And fill up the second mountain with grey color. I think by now you already have discovered that painting with gouache is easy. You just need to know where to start with. These kind of silhouette paintings are easy to paint. There are so many paintings references in internet. You can have many choices to start with. For the next painting, we will draw land and water. Use the tip of the brush. Give a little bit pressure where you want the land more visible. Draw small strokes with black color to show the waves. When you're starting to paint with gouache, try to choose easier references where you do not have to blend too much, where you do not have to shade too much. Try to paint mini quick paintings and gradually move towards larger paintings. No one is watching your painting when you are at home practicing, so experiment as much as you can. I wanted to give a little bit shade to the houses. You can skip this part. There are so many paintings you can start painting with gouache. Next I'll bring some very easy nature paintings with gouache. Also you can find my supplies in my description. Go check it out if you want it. Masking tape gives a neat and clean look, but it is not must. You can just draw a border with pencil and scale and go on. And I'm assuming that your paintings are looking nice. It would be very kind if you tell at what time you want the videos to be uploaded. Comment down your time, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and watch out these bonus tips.